Hei, Cai dwi, mae sianel YouTube 5 wedi rhoi her arall I fi.
Sy'n golygu teithio achor a bloggers yn rhaid I nasoedd gorau Ewrop. Tro yma, dwi yn mynd I Hwngari. Dyma 24 awr yn Budapest.
Newydd lanio yn Budapest ac am y tro cyntaf yn y gyfres yma, dim angen I fi poeni am sut dwi'n mynd I cyrraedd y ddinas. Hello, thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Heno, dwi'n aros I un o westau mwyaf moethus yn Ewrop, sef y Corinthia Hotel Budapest. A chwarae teg iddyn nhw, maen nhw'n trefnu car I pigo fi lan o'r maes awyr. Cliciwch ar y link o dan y fideo I weld fideo ychwanegol dwi wedi wneud ar westy'r Corinthia. Dwi ar y ffordd bore yma I gwrdd â YouTuber o Hwngari o'r enw Evelyn. Nawr mae hi yn rhedeg sianel ar YouTube sy'n sôn am ffasiwn a cholir a mae'n rili boblogaidd mas yn Hwngari. Felly yn edrych ymlaen I weld beth sydd ganddi hi a Budapest I gynnig heddi. Evelyn, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much for meeting me in Budapest today. I'm really excited. What has this city got to offer and what's the plan for today?
Okay, so today's plan, I would like to show you 3 exciting places here in Budapest.
Yeah.
3 iconic historical places.
Yeah. So this is the Houses of Parliament then in Budapest?
Yes, and at the moment we are here in Kossuth Lajos Square.
Kossuth Lajos Square.
Perfect. Yes, and this building is the most iconic building here in Hungary.
Cool. So. I'll get a photo of this then.
We are here in the Freedom Bridge in the middle at the moment.
Yeah.
And this side is Buda and this side is Pest.
Cool. It's a beautiful bridge.
Yes.
Beautiful, especially on a beautiful day like this. Lovely. I'll get a photo of this. Where next?
We are going to the Buda Castle. We need to go back to Deák Ferenc tér with the tram and after we will traveling with bus.
Cool. That was a really sweaty bus. So this is the castle, Evelyn?
Yes, a part of the huge castle.
Okay.
At the moment we are here in Halászbástya and over us is the Matthias Church.
Okay.
And we started our day
Down there?
from this, yes, the Houses of Parliament. And what do you think about the view?
Very, very beautiful. As we say in Wales, prydferth iawn. Dwi newydd dod off tram arall. Dwi'n meddwl erbyn hyn, dwi wedi bod ar bron bob math o trefnidiaeth o gwmpas y ddinas yma. A nesaf, dyn ni'n dal cwch. We're getting on a boat next, Evelyn, is it?
Yes.
To where?
We are going to Margaret Island.
I wanted to have a quick chat with you about your YouTube channel, Awr Yn Budapest. It's really popular out in Hungary. Already today, whilst walking around, you've been stopped a few times. Someone coming up to see you and saying, "Oh my God, I love the channel." That's amazing.
Yes, it is an amazing feeling. Yes, it's happening very often.
Yeah.
I'm now a full-time YouTuber.
Amazing.
So
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So I can do what I love in the most in the world. So it's amazing feeling for me. At the moment I'm doing lifestyle video, makeup, skincare, chit-chat, woman stuff, but I would like to do more vlogs and traveling, of course. It's a big dream too.
Os chi'n dod I Budapest, mae angen chi mynd lawr at yr afon ar ochr Pest a trio llogi cwch, neidio ar cwch a gweld bach o'r ddinas.
Dwi wedi fynd yna ar eisiau bwyd. I'm quite hungry now, Evan. I'm not going to lie. Can we please get some food?
Okay, I can help you. I
Okay.
can help you.
Okay, good.
I have a good place for you.
Excellent.
At the moment, we are here in Váci Street. This is one of the most popular shopping street in Hungary.
Yeah. Trwchwch ar y salads yma.
Very healthy.
Dyn ni newydd bwyta llon platiad o fwyd iachus iawn. Just had a full plate of some really healthy food.
Yes,
But
we need
I mean,
a
we
little
need
sugar.
we need to balance it out. That looks like a cool confectionery thing.
They give big ice cream.
Llefydd mwy o posh fi erioed di bwyta hi fyny ar. Os chi dod i Budapest, mae angen chi dod i'r lle yma. What was my English name? Gerbo. 10 allan o 10 i'r lle yma. Wel, yn y ffodus, mae'n cwbl o oriau sy'n gen i ar ôl yn Budapest. Mae angen i fi dar fflight nôl cyn bo hir. Evan, I was just saying that I haven't got much time left in Budapest, unfortunately. But before I go, I really need to pick up a little souvenir, something small to take home with me back to Wales.
Okay.
Can you point me in the right direction?
Yes. On the corner, as you can see, there's a souvenir shop. Maybe you can find something little cute things.
Okay, we'll have a look.
Okay. For your eye color.
Cwr souvenir bach fi wedi prynu, darn bach o Budapest dod adre i Gymru. Tro yma, fi sy'n dewis lle dyn ni'n mynd nesaf. Tra ni'n neud fy ngwaith ymchwil o bachyn da, cyn dod mas i Budapest, nes i ddod ar draws ruin bars yma sydd yn Budapest. Yn syml iawn beth yw ruin bar, yw ar ôl yr ail ryfel byd, oedd lot o adfeilion wrth gwrs, ar ôl y bombs i gyd oedd yn cael ei gollwng ar y dinas. A maen nhw jyst troi nhw mewn i bars lle chi'n gallu mynd a yfed yn y nos a mwynhau. So, can you take me to a ruin bar? They're very famous in Budapest.
Yes, and at the moment we are going to the Simpla ruin bar.
Okay.
This was the first in this style.
Dwi ddim yn gweud celwydd pan maen nhw'n gael rhywun ruin bars. Maen nhw literally just adfeilion. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much for
You're
showing me
welcome.
around the city. It's been really warm, sweaty, but it's been a really good day. I've seen a lot. And there's one thing, un peth ar ôl I wneud. Palenka,
Pálinka.
how do you say good health?
Egészségedre.
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 Egészségedre, iechyd da.
Iechyd da.
Down in one?
One.
Am fwy o fanylion ynglyn â lles I, cliciwch ar y links o dan y fideo. Cofiwch hefyd I danysgrifio ein sianel YouTube, dilynwch ni ar Twitter a hoffwch ein tudalen Facebook.